This week, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, mentioned that Bitcoin was too high, and so it dropped. Let's bring in Michele Schnider, the director of trading at MarketGauge. And Michele, it feels like we've seen a lot of wild swings in Bitcoin, but some of this has been driven by Elon Musk.
There's no doubt that Elon Musk is adding to the volatility of Bitcoin, which is already volatile. But I'm looking at it from a trading perspective, and it seems that it's been actually following a very reliable pattern. For example, when it got through 30, it went up to about 40, just stopped shy between 38, 39, dropped all the way down, then cleared 40, went close to 50, up at around 48, 49, dropped down to about 44, clears 50, goes up to 58, 59, and now has dropped down to about 53. So this is definitely something to keep an eye on rather than chasing it as it gets closer to these round number milestones. Wait for that dip and try to catch that run. So it's a much more active situation if you're not already in Bitcoin for much lower levels. Overall, the future still looks good as we start to see more and more banks taking a percentage of their money into Bitcoin, and the fintech part is strong. But yeah, you have to really be cautious in terms of trading. You can't allow yourself to get caught up in the noise and buy in the herd mentality led by the king of that right now, Elon Musk.
What would be your trade of the day?
Well, something that people don't really talk about much is coffee futures, but a lot of people are nervous about trading the futures. So you can look at an ETF that's been around for a while, JO, appropriately named. It's actually taking off here after forming a big base with weather conditions going on in Brazil, big coffee region, as it's getting into their drought of the summer. Then this would be a place where I would be looking at JO, let's say over 30, looking at for it to get through 40, 41, and maybe even higher than that.
Well, thank you for perking up our day, Michele.
All right, thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.